Alright guys, so we're back. It's kind of weird because I usually only film on the weekend, but this is kind of where we're at right now. I just wanted to kind of document some of this stuff. I feel like I haven't been the most consistent with keeping track of the progress, so this is where we're at right now. So we've got the three DL380 G10s in here. I've got the Cisco 3850 all wired up. I've got the DL380 G9 with the wrong bezel on it. This is actually, these two bezels are the incorrect bezels. These are for my AI DL380 G10s, the G9, and the two D3600s. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this guy. Not really a whole lot going on in terms of the rack here right now. It's off right now. I'm still waiting on cables. As you can see, there's 9K up there. It's kind of pushed back just a little bit for right now. It's just temporary. But this rack I'm not really focusing on right now. This is on the back burner for right now because we are missing some stuff for it, and it's going to take a little bit to get here. So this rack is what we're going to be kind of focusing on the most. This is like the rack that is going to stay on most of the time. Has my Mac Pro in it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. So, alright, as you can see, we've got the Nexus 3K. It's off right now because my 40 gigabit connection to the Mac Pro is not working. I am not sure exactly why it's not working. It has a 40 gigabit Chelsea card in it with community drivers, and it was working for about a day and then it stopped working. So until I figure that out, I have to figure that out. But here we have the DL380 Gen 10s. You can't really see it, but these are the Generation 10s. Even though they have the 9 bezel on it, these are 10s. As you can see from the black ears here. These are the AI servers. One of them is mounted in, one of them is not mounted in. These, like I said, same situation. I'm just waiting on parts. These guys are going to be used for a lot of different AI stuff. Large language models, data training, and some data science stuff, as well as some translation stuff as well. So I'm not sure how much I want to make on software as far as like with the AI stuff, because I feel like it's going to get really boring and really into the weeds. So if you guys really want to see that, it's going to be like a 2-hour long video, and I could definitely put that together for you. It'd definitely be pretty cool. The 3K is up front. The it's another 3850 back here, so let me go ahead and take you guys back there. I squeeze through here. So here's the 3850. Here is a cable I was looking to run to the back of here, but that's going away. There's the 3850. Can I even show you guys? Yeah, it's really hard to see, but you guys can see the Mac Pros back there, and then the two G10s down there. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Like I said, we've got everything pretty much wired up for the most part. If this thing will focus, man. As you can see, we've got the 40 gigabit runs right there, and we've got the gigabit runs. We've got the two connections to the two HP D3600s, which is 1 and 2. Even the storage Rust servers connected via 40 gig. That's just for the throughput aspect of it. It's the only reason we have these. The only reason I have it connected via 40 gig is because I want to do something different for the gigabit connections. We're obviously never going to be able to saturate the 40 gig connection with spinning hard drives, but that's kind of just for we had the connection, so let's go ahead and use it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, one of the power supplies did die in this machine, the D3600, so I am going to have to order another one. Order a power supply for that, so that's another unfortunate thing. But yeah, that is pretty much where we're at, guys. I do have a NVIDIA Quadro card in here. I think it's a P2000 or 2200 or something. This is for Plex transcoding. I will be doing a video on how to set that up if you guys want to see that. These are storage nodes up here. Well, storage based nodes. These actually do have SSDs in them. This one does not. This one has just a single 500 gig in it, and then these two have the NVMe storage arrays in them, the MD0 arrays in them. That array usually houses boot drives for VMs, but we're gonna be using it for a bunch of different stuff, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, we've got 2 additional 40 gigabit cards here. We don't really need those. Those are extras. I don't think we're gonna be using those, but I might use those just to, in case we get stupid with, you know, 4 NVMe or quad NVMe arrays or something like that. Even then, we're still not gonna saturate 2 of these. But yeah, guys, it's really coming together here. You can see the 9K up there and the 3850. The 9K, we're going to be using in ACI mode. I think we have a lot of configuration to do on all this stuff, but especially the switches. I don't think I'm going to make a video about the network, the ACI networking for this stuff. I think that's going to be incredibly boring to watch. And I'm honestly dreading doing that anyway. I don't want to set that up, but I have to. Definitely gonna do some ACI stuff. Yeah, a lot of fun stuff on the table. I just have not had time. I've just been doing so much kind of outside of the Homelab stuff. I've been working a lot on obviously work stuff. This is everything. I'm super happy with the way it looks right now. I do want to buy the 10 gig modules for these. I do have some 10 gig stuff I want to do with the X-Serves. I guess I didn't really talk about the X-Serves. Let's go ahead and talk about those real quick. So the X-Serves are going to be in an XSAN cluster. This is going to be a totally different project. I want to do this sometime in the fall when it's colder outside, so I can actually open the windows up and run these things instead of it being like a bajillion degrees in here. So yeah, that's going to be a very fun project, I think. If I take you around the back, I don't think I showed you guys what these have in it, but they're kind of empty right now. But these will each have a 10 gigabit network card and NVMe storage in it, and they will be in a XSAN cluster. So pretty cool stuff. I have to buy the secondary power supplies. I don't need them, but I would like to have them. So yeah, as far as stuff, so while I'm on the topic of buying stuff, there is some stuff I still have to buy for this to be finished. So there's some more storage to be purchased here. I'm going to end up putting another NVMe array in this one to have. I do need to purchase another set of NVMe SSDs for this bottom unit. Even though it is going to be a Plex machine, I do still need NVMe drives for that. It's for it to be equal to the rest of the cluster. So I'm just going to have a quad NVMe carrier that's a mini slot. It's going to go right in there. You guys can't really see it, but it's going to go right in that one right there. So yeah, that's really just a quick and dirty of what we got so far. The kind of where we're at and where we're going kind of thing. So yeah, I'm making progress. Like I said, get a couple things for this lab. We'll be ready to go ahead and start configuring stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that. Like I said before in the previous videos, we're going to be using Proxmox. We're not going to be using ESXi anymore for a few different reasons. If you want to know why, go ahead and watch the previous videos in the series. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Just giving you guys a quick kind of recap on where we're at. So we don't. Just a quick recap, guys. That's pretty much it for today. So I'll see you in the next one.